Welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. To my gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May God you're going out and you're coming in and your household. Thank you very much for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy. Keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to show my brothers and sisters waiting I see for social media, waiting I think say I need to share with my brothers and sisters. I love to share positive things with my brothers and sisters. I love to see the best in people. I love to bring out the best in people. I love to bring out the hot, swagalicious, positive energy where they inside my brothers and sisters to oppress every negative nyama spirit where they inside us. All of us get them. Don't forget say everybody they smell, everybody they laugh. Sometimes if you set my brothers and sisters, if I provoke, you know, believe say na me, but I try to control myself. Only my husband body now is sparking for the happen. I know saying go understand. If I dare outside, say maybe say somebody make me vex, the best I go just do carry my handbag, carry my left and right leg, use and waka come on for there for peace to reign, for good spirit to just take control. Like seriously, enter the nearest bar, drink better cold water to take cool my temper, to take tell that wicked ugly spirit say no, she or he that is in this body is greater than you where they like one bring your ugly head come out. So this is what I want for each and every one of us. Let make me they bring some things come out when I see for social media, just to make you see say we can be better than all these ugly spirits where they come out for our body. We all get them. I'm not free from her, you not free from her. As long we be human being, we get them inside us. Now that one all of us need to cast out, we need to oppress. Now make me they try my best to be the change when I really want. Before I forget, happy summer holiday to each and every one of you. I hope you all enjoy this summer crazy holiday. Anyhow you to celebrate them, it not really matter. As long you know they sick, your pikin know they sick, everywhere stew, even na garri una see, mona drink. As long you dey happy, say nothing happened to your family back home, holiday na holiday, it no matter. Just be happy at least all na holiday, it no matter. With that being said, I want to share with my brothers and sisters the positive video when I see for social media. I decide to share them with you now so that we feel know how we fit to help ourselves. Make we learn from nature. More we learn from the primitive animal. What we feel say the primitive, because we ourselves not still animal. Like seriously, we be advanced animal, not be insult. Now the truth not be that one. So I come across this video and I feel like sharing it with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Please do bear with me. Let me hear the video so you don't misjudge me when I give my opinion later. I don't say don't judge in my universe. Judge it makes you human. Please bear with me. Let me hit the little video. I will be back. All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. Hope you see the video. Hope you feel the emotion. Hope you feel the love between that tortoise and a partner or pikin. Wetin e can be no matter, as long they be the same race. He try to make sure say in help am. Make we learn from all this animal. Make we learn from the love where they show themselves. When we start to they copy from nature, believe me, we no go get time to take hate. We go only get time to love each other. We go only get time to see the best in people. We no go come dey find any bad thing wey dey for anybody body, because if you find something, you will really see am. Make we not just dey dig hole, because when you dig hole, e get where you go dig and reach, my brothers and sisters. You must see something. Make we no dey look for people bad side. Make we stop am, because if you look for, you go see, and if you see am, you go wake that beast where that person be once, make it sleep. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, make we learn from all this animal. Like seriously, when I watch, I was like, oh God, if we humans can just be like this, if we humans can just give ourselves happy hand to lift each other up, believe me, you everywhere go pepper soup. We don't get time to count the hates again. As thought is slow reach, e see human being, e see say man, these ones they be dangerous species. This one they can eat anything eatable. He still exercise patience. He make sure say use all the last strength we get. Stay help his species, stay help his race, stay help his boyfriend or his husband or his pikin. Stay help him. When he don't help him finish, now he can't know say man, he need to bag from this human. You thought this way they slow. They know, they understand. Say man, these people, they're not good for us. They begin tears, they begin run. If to say na Africa people now do that video, they'll say, hey, thank God, oh God, don't give me food. Carry the 2 tortoises, put for pots, boy nonsense come for their head. Boy nonsense come on for their head. Also now God now provide for them. Those ones they suffer, they enjoy their life. Africans can eat anything eatable as long as long if you put them for fire, they go eat some. I hope we learn 1 or 2 things, my brothers and sisters. I hope you be the change you want. I hope you try to help somebody, even if they say you don't need help. Try to help in any little way. You know they compulsory say na money will take they help each other. Many people just believe say na money they want to help each other. Many people they help because they wait for them for front. May you can't they what Italians they call debit. So may you can't they hold them debt. Now they make many people they do good where they say that they do. All those good not be good. Good way you do for person where you be say tomorrow you say, and that's what I do for you 3 years ago. You don't see anything bring come out for inside. You not fair come from your mind. You don't want fair your help. Like seriously, you just want to put on for record. Say you help them. Those kind of things not be help. We Africans we too sabi that thing. Like somebody when I know they very close to me, and this person on the work. They no say this person on the work. They go rent house for pay 1 year. Ask me after that 1 year, what did this person want to pay for the following year where they follow on? Some people they look say man 12 months now, one kind big deal. When you just close your eye, 12 months will come into for there. My sweet grandmother say, Omaga book be anwe, if person promise you 3 years, quick come on for there. Make that 3 years not come meet you for there, because before you know it, it don't come like this. So that good, me I not call am good, because tomorrow if she can ask for another money, they no say not the work, or they no say this thing will come up tomorrow. They no say that person will come ask say ask rent don't end though. They'll come and provoke say you know they do anything, you know they do anything. I felt na me rent the apartment for you, na me put everything inside, na me do this, na me do that. That one I say I do good. If you want yours do good, just do good. Not do good because you want use and take more count tomorrow. If that money where they say rent a 2 room for them, they just find money joiner. This one of my opinion, they just find money joiner, give and make it your open business. I think say that one go dey much better, because na family as now the person fair day. So nobody they drive on for there, nobody they pursue on for there. I no want just mention name. I just talk this one in for my brothers and sisters so they know say make we they do good because we want to do good. More they do good because of record, because we want use and take talk say na so I fed do on that time, oh, na so I fed do on that time, oh. We Africans will sabi do that kind of thing. We Africans we they do help like credits tomorrow come and pay me back. Good not supposed to be like that. When you do good for person, e no dey compulsory say that person na go pay you back, or another person entirely na go come pay you back. If the person arrive, na plus to your life too, say the person go come help you, say the person go come pay you back. Not be say you dey remind them constantly, umami abebo yagbebo, you no fit do anything, I help you this year, I help you last year, because your mind not pure. You no go fit use that money to do anything. You no go fit that anything we put that money no go multiply, because it not come from your heart. If something not pain, who they give them out, who you they give no go appreciate them. Wetin e mean na make something come from the bottom of your heart. You want do one because you want do one. You want do one because you get. Not do one because you want do one make they say. You want do one make the public know say na so you do. To me, those kind of things are evil help. If you not just fit, not do. Talk true. Make them understand say e no dey. Than you they do make them by say, eh, na so you do and that year, na so you do and that year, na so you not fit do anything. Your bad intention, your make a by do one. Not go fair make anything where you give and work because you just do and make people by say. Like seriously. I beg you, my Africa brothers and sisters, make we deviate from all these things. You feel help person with money, you feel help person with food, but tomorrow if it be say you go there for position where be say nobody to come help you, you feel just the middle of sea and people where they around not sabi swim. Now only this person where you help 20 years ago now sabi swim, you go dive inside that river, you go dive inside that water, come rescue you out. He don't pay you. He don't mean say must pay you with money. Make we Africans comot money for head. Make we Africans try to just help with our hearts, without make we know they make this person, make we know they make people they feel say, oh, I dey hold this person, I dey debt for this person neck, this person do good for me, so automatically if he asks me something I cannot say no. I pray may I not say no. If you do good for me, you do it from the bottom of your heart. Not get them from back of your mind. Say you can't take advantage of that one. They ask me things where you're not supposed to ask me. They ask me things where you know say I not go fit tell you no because I think say you fair help me tomorrow. Forget that time don't pass. I go tell you who no, I know they give you. If I not get another one. Now before I they displease myself to please you, for you to know say, oh, I not bad. Me doing that, I can't deprive myself of my happiness. I go give that one at me. I can't do for you abo. Me I can't do for ordinary ground. Me no go get again. And people not they stupid. People know when you by they do something. Me that time I don't want proof to everybody. Oh, I good though. Oh, I good though. I go get 20 naira. I go get 50 euro. I go try and want help somebody way near me. May they just see me say I did good. I pray may they see you say you did good. Only waiting they go they see. Now that's I by say. Now that's you they want prove. They go not come they think say you they want prove what you not be. People get eye, people get spiritual eyes, but they don't know what's in the spiritual eyes. They don't understand them, they don't understand life, they don't understand anything in the spiritual realm. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters, when you they do something and you be they doing with good intention, but because you want doing, make people take notice you, make people take see that goodness in you. They go only they see that eye by say what you they do. They not go see that pure heart where you get. But when you start to be yourself, when you start to bring yourself first, anything where you do now, you be number one and you feel they come first before any other thing. People will love you for real. People will know say this is you. People will know say this person and so it just be. If you say no, you know now no, and they will love you for it. If you by they do and say maybe they say it too good though, then they see that I buy too good, and people will come and take advantage of that your you want proof to people say you good. They'll come they ask you because they know say you know will ever say no to them. People profit from the weak. People profit from the people where they want just show say man they're good. If you not say you good, prove and say you good. Not be bad to the bad people conscience, because not be every time you take get that money take bad people conscience. Like seriously. But when you good and you know waiting good from waiting bad, even though you not get money, only waiting you talk, only waiting come out from you, only the good spirit where they speak out of you, people will appreciate you and see you for who you really are. You not fit buy people, you not fit tell people may they love you, you not fit force people may they love you, because everybody not fit love you. If you go they buy the wrong people we not even care about you. You feel go they use your sweat for people we not even want know whether you even they exist. You go there where they feel like you choke there, they not go even care. They not go give you water may you drink. As long long that they benefit from you, they are happy and they are good to go. I hope you understand. I hope we Africans repair our life by ourselves. I hope we Africans repair our father and our motherland by ourselves. I hope my generation, I hope the next generation be the curse breaker in Africa. Be the curse breaker, my brother. Let me be the curse breaker, my sister. Be the change you want and let me be the change you want. Together with good hearts, with good faith, that good spirit must stand with us and make our father and our motherland great. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons with me. I hope all of us give ourselves lifting hand, help each other, not by the do say you want help. If you not feel help, no help. If you feel help, help, my brothers and sisters. Just try to be like this beautiful animal wey show love to themselves, wey give their self lifting hand. Like seriously, my brother, like seriously, my sister, be the curse breaker. Give me hand, let me give you hand. Be my success and let me be your success. Help me share my video so you will contribute to my success, so that when I just dey laugh tomorrow, I just dey smile tomorrow, you see me for CNN or BBC, you say yes, so I contribute to your success. Then I go say yes, my sister, yes, my brother, you are my Africa brother, you are my European brother, you are my European sister, you are my human brothers and sisters, like seriously. So I hope all of us promote love. I hope all of us help ourselves. I hope we not by the do say I say not get we help. I say I put all of us for this mess in the first place. Then come your way next time. This Sophie Universe, the massive truth. If this my video offend you, to God and man, it wasn't intentional. I hate bringing that beast out in you. I love the love in you. I love the positive energy in you. I just try to make that positive energy stay for good. Like seriously, find a place in your heart to forgive me. If any of my video offend you, I not just like to make you vex. I not just like to see that beast in you. It's too ugly. That beast head is not so it be like gin. Now so it be big way. So I hate to see that beast. I love the good spirit in you. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to follow me up on my Facebook page, on my Instagram, Sophie Universe. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. And don't forget to give my video thumbs up. In the next video, one love.